In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through various troubleshooting steps to get you back into the Roblox, and you will never get this frustrating error while starting Roblox. To fix this, follow these steps. Press Windows plus R from your keyboard to open Run dialog box. Then type %temp% and then click on OK button. Inside this temp folder, search for Roblox folder and then delete it. Deleting the Roblox folder from the temp folder might delete temporary files need for Roblox. But do not worry, it will download necessary file when you run Roblox next time. Now try to open Roblox again. If it does not work, follow next steps. Open web browser where you generally open Roblox. Then click on three dots at the top and then click on Settings. On the left pane, click on Privacy and Security. On the right, click on Site Settings. Next, click on View Permissions and Data Stored Access Sites. Then in the search for Roblox. If you get roblox.com, then click on Delete icon next to it. It will clear all cache issue related to roblox.com. Next, click on Delete button. After that, try to open Roblox, and if it does not open, then follow next fixes. Go to Search and try Roblox Player and click on Open File Location. Next, right-click on Roblox Player and then select Properties. Next, navigate to Compatibility tab. Then check in these three checkboxes and then click on OK button. Then try to open Roblox again. If this does not work, follow next steps. Go to Search and type Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Then in the command prompt, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. If there is network-related issue, then it might fix the issue. If this also does not work, then try restarting your computer and try opening Roblox again. These fixes might help you. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.